And today's challenge, small challenge, is to install a new air filter in this 2015 Polaris 570 Ranger Crew. So really pretty darn simple. Basically, first thing, tilt the bed up so you can get access to it. And there's the air box right there. Next thing you want to do is to turn on the flashlight and then pop these two clips, which are a little bit hard to reach. And yes, indeed, I live in a dusty, dusty world. Okay, it's not obvious from a lot of angles, but there's actually a 1/4-inch drive worm-style hose clamp around the base of the air filter. So that means you can just get your regular tool, don't even have to use an adapter because it'll have a 1/4-inch hex drive. Okay, that's what we're dealing with, folks. It's actually not as dirty as you might think, but it is definitely coated with Texas dust. So I'm going to put the new one in, just swap over the clamp. Okay, you'll want to align the clamp so that you can once again get the tool on it. Snug it up good. Tighten it down. Okay, get it good and snug. And the next step is to put the top of the air filter housing back on, the cover. There's a couple little tabs here. They're kind of rounded. They go in those slots in the back. So just tip the whole thing up, wiggle it into place, and it should be a pretty positive engagement. And when you get it lined up, you should be able to get this whole thing seated up front here. The little tab here goes over the front. That should line up your clips to be able to go over the top and clip right back down. All right, and just drop your bed by pushing really hard if your lift is still in good shape, and you're done. Ready for another, I don't know, 1,500 miles in my case, before I'd have to do this again.